Fluke Calibration is proud to introduce the 5790B AC measurement standard. It is the easiest way to make precision AC measurements. The 5790B AC measurement standard is an AC measurement and transfer standard that lets you make AC voltage and current measurements with accuracies as good as 24 parts per million. It combines the accuracy you would expect from a thermal transfer standard with the ease of use of a digital multimeter. The 5790B is designed to meet the complete AC voltage and wideband verification requirements of the Fluke Calibration 5700 series multifunction calibrators, including the 5730A, the 5720A, and the 5700A. The 5500 series multi-product calibrators, including the 5522A, the 5502A, and the 5500A, plus other calibrators and amplifiers like the 5725A, the 5205A, the 5215A, and transfer standards and AC voltmeters. The 5790B covers an alternating voltage range of 700 microvolts to 1000 volts and a frequency range of 10 Hz to 1 MHz. A wideband voltage option extends the frequency range to 30 or 50 MHz to meet the calibration requirements of Fluke Calibration 5700A, 5720A, and 5100 series wideband options. Since its release in 1990, the 5790A has been the go-to product for precise AC voltage measurements around the world. The new 5790B has all the features and performance characteristics of the previous 5790A, and we have added 5 important new features: a new user interface, calculation-free absolute current measurements with the Fluke A40B current shunts, statistics, additional wideband, and waveform calculator. We'll talk about each of these. The first major improvement brings the 5790B into the 21st century by adding a 5.5-inch capacitive touchscreen display and a graphical, easy-to-navigate user interface. To complement the new touchscreen display, the front panel provides direct access to the most commonly used keys to change range and input. The connection terminals are equipped with the patented visual connection management output terminals that light up to show you which terminals are active, so you'll always make the correct connections. The second major improvement is the 5790B's ability to make direct, absolute, or relative current measurements with current shunts without needing to make any calculations. The 5790B is optimized for use with the Fluke A40B current shunts up to 100 amps to make absolute and relative measurements. Fluke A40 and A40A shunts can be used for relative current measurements. The 5790B can also use custom shunts that have been calibrated as a system along with the 5790B. The 5790B stores all shunt properties and coefficients which are used to calculate the current measurement. This information can be easily loaded using the current shunt menu that allows you to add, edit, remove, and view shunt information very quickly. Current shunts calibrated at Fluke have a calibration certificate that clearly lists all of the information to load into the 5790B. After the shunt information has been loaded and you're ready to make a current measurement, you can quickly connect a shunt to the 5790B and select it by opening the shunt library and finding the shunt by its range and serial number. When using a current shunt, the 5790B displays both the voltage and current measurements along with the shunt information. For transfer measurements using a DC transfer, the measurement can be viewed on the screen in many formats. The third major 5790B improvement is its new statistics function, enabling you to view and control the sampling while also viewing the measurements. Statistics allow you to easily gather measurement samples over a set period of time, providing min, max, average, standard deviation, and peak-to-peak data. The fourth major improvement is the addition of the 50 MHz wideband option that extends the bandwidth to 10 Hz to 50 MHz for calibrating precise RF power sources. Like the 5790A, the 5790B still offers a 30 MHz wideband option, ranging from 2.2 millivolts to 7 volts, and with a frequency range of 10 Hz to 30 MHz. The fifth major improvement is the ability to view waveform calculations on the main display for 4 common waveforms: peak-to-peak sine, square, triangle, and truncated waveforms. These calculations save time and give you the measurement instantly. The 5790B has a 5790A emulation mode, so so you can replace an existing 5790A by just swapping in the new unit. A dedicated special purpose 50 MHz, 225 mV, 50 ohm input function is available as an option for measuring RF power. The option is spot calibrated at the end of a precision, level, or phase stable metrology grade cable. It calculates the measured power with 50 ohm load. The 5790B AC measurement standard simplifies AC voltage and current measurements and lets you save time with automated calculations. For more information on this product, visit www.flukecal.com.